In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from LemFi to GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident sending funds straight to a GCash wallet in just a few taps. First, open your LemFi app and log in. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and that your app is up to date, as this helps prevent errors during the transfer. Once you're on the home screen, you should see the main actions right away. Next, tap Send Money. This is your gateway to choosing where and how your transfer will be delivered. LemFi will guide you through a simple flow from here. Choose the destination as the Philippines, then select GCash as the payout method. Picking the correct country and wallet is important because it determines the currency, fees, and the exact delivery route. You'll typically see an estimated exchange rate and any fees right on the screen, so you know what to expect before you proceed. Now enter the recipient's GCash mobile number. This is the number linked to their GCash account. Take a moment to double check every digit and ensure the number is active and registered with GCash. If you're pasting a number, confirm that no extra spaces or symbols were included. Accuracy here ensures the money lands in the correct wallet without delays. Type the amount you want to send. LemFi will usually show you the converted amount the recipient will receive in Philippine pesos, along with the rate and fees. If the app flags a limit, adjust the amount accordingly. Make sure your LemFi balance or funding source can cover the total, including any fees. Before you finalize, carefully review the summary. Confirm the recipient's mobile number, the amount, the exchange rate, and the estimated total. This is your last chance to spot and fix any typos. When everything looks correct, tap Send. You may be asked to complete a quick security check, like entering a PIN or confirming with biometrics. Just follow the prompt. That's it. The money will arrive in the GCash wallet instantly. Ask the recipient to open their GCash app and refresh their balance. You'll also see a confirmation in LemFi, which you can save as a record of the transaction. If the balance doesn't update right away, give it a moment and refresh. Then check your LemFi transaction history for the status. You've just sent money from LemFi to GCash quickly and securely. Thanks for watching and happy sending.